Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, URNM, short-term time frame stuff. It's kind of been I wouldn't say habit, but it's something that we're doing almost every day now. So let's continue doing that because people find it very useful. At least that's what they are saying. So yeah, if you like it, I will definitely do it, even though it is still like 15-minute to 1 hour time frame, very short-term time frame stuff. So it's a bit iffy, but we will do it. I've been talking for the past 3.5 hours. I had a discussion with Andy about different subjects. Check it out when it gets released. I would expect some time tomorrow, discussing uranium, also short-term stuff, uranium, palladium, platinum, silver, gold, all the usual stuff we are diving into. So check it out when it is getting released. Also, I did shipping and the recap. You can check it out right now. I think it should be out. So, but that is not for this topic. This topic is short-term URNM. On a Monday, first off, the uranium spot price is getting oversold here. I expect a bounce any minute. We just need to see how high we go, and if we can start to, at some point, maybe do some, there will form a pattern here. We are now at 90, 91. Oversold here on the daily, so I'm still expecting a bounce. 30 weekly coming up nicely, so yeah, hopefully we get something similar, right? That big drop there, and then we have that big spike again. Hopefully we get something similar, and then we can go higher. We are down 15% from the highs. Okay, fair enough. URNM, basically flat today. At least URA is flat. URNM is down 15%. Okay, fair enough. But what you can see here, if I go to the standard candles, is I'm going to delete that stuff over there. Basically, we had this bear flag there with the tag of that rising wedge, which comes out from a bit further out. So basically, we broke down and then we retested here. So right now we have a breakdown of the bear flag, not ideal. Do we get rollover or do we come back in? Coming back in is actually a good sign, a good sign. I'm not saying that we're off the hook then. That is potentially a very, very good sign. Again, if my voice is a bit rusty, yeah, it's a bit worn tonight here. So again, nothing much happened, really basically flat. Getting a bit of a quick retest. So we didn't drop quite far below, but we're retesting it rather quickly after. That's usually a good thing to see. You can see the 30 weekly is just sitting below there. If we go to the daily, you can see it's just right there. So still the overall green bullish trend is still very much in play. But again, even though if we get like a 3% day tomorrow here, I'm not going like, oh, this is it. We are going to higher highs right now here. As you know, my take on it, we need to get back above here. It's very, very simple stuff. We need to get above 51.5-ish to really become bullish once again. Right now we are sitting at the April 2022 highs. Very important level to hold due to for multiple reasons actually. Getting below there again just confirms that that is now resistance. Also, the 30 weekly could potentially, start to roll over. Yikes! And then that would be a very bad thing. At least here in the shorter term stuff. I don't have much more to say really. Not big, price action stuff, but at least we didn't have a day like that. We haven't had, that kind of day. So the momentum is definitely stalling a bit here also to the downside. Again, as I talked about Friday, that move there, Friday, again, it feels, and I also read something that this was just someone that wanted to sell no matter what. There are no buyers. Well, there are buyers, obviously, but the sellers is just pressing the sell button, just sell, 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 sell. And now we are a bit of a breakdown there of the bear flag retesting. So hopefully tomorrow we get back in. Rolling over would be not the best view in the world, that's for sure. So, oops, excuse me. with all that said, you know my long-term take. We're still very, very bullish on the weekly and the monthly. We just need to see how low we go here in this pullback. Yes, boring stuff you want to hear. Yes, we're going higher. I will say that when we get above 51.5, then I'm quite sure that we have corrected and we have broken this bull flag here to the upside, and then we are probably ready to go once again. But for now, more bearish than bullish. I cannot deny that. Do you agree? Disagree? Let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm always up for a discussion. You know that. Again, this is just my views. I could be incredibly wrong, or I could be incredibly right. Who knows? But again, this is how I do stuff. And for the people that have been following me for a long time, you know, I think you know how I try to frame the charts and how I view them. And for now, this short term here is bearish, especially getting below that, you know, support there and the third weekly. I wouldn't, yeah, let's say we don't do that. So have a great day, guys. Cheers, bye.